In this video, I'll show you how to install a 300 plus real-life vehicles pack in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod link. First, right-click on the script hook and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right-click on the game and select Open File Location. For doing this mod, backup your GTA 5 folder. Once you're done, then drop all these files except the text and ASI. Inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination. Go back, open the heap adjuster and of these two files inside of a game folder. Once it's done, go back, open the resource adjuster, again open the folder, accept the text, and drop inside of a game folder. Go back and open the pack file limit adjuster, accept the readme, drag and drop inside of a game folder. And now open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and install the OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installation done, select this ASI manager. Make sure these three are installed and then close. Select the edit mode and select yes. Go back, open the vehicle mod, real life vehicle pack. Open the folder, then drop this part 1 inside the OpenIV. Select the install option, then select the mods folder and select confirm installation. Once this done, just close. Do the same thing for part 2. Before that, select edit mode and select yes option, and now drag and drop. Select the install option and select mods folder and select confirm installation. Once the installation is complete, close off here and go back, open the config. This folder is for latest GTA 5 version users, and this is version is for old GTA 5 version users. Open depends on if a GTA 5 version. In my case, I have latest version. Open the folder for mods. For default traffic, you can choose this stock traffic. Open in .xml. In OpenIV, you need to go to mods, update, update.rpf, common, data, select the edit mode and select the yes option and end up this XML in the XML or here OpenIV. Once you drop this, those stuff here, everything is done. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see all real life cars. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.